Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you saw by the title, it's something a little bit different. Me being blurry is not any different though. This is a style that I'm actually really into, but I don't wear a lot because it's a lot of maintenance. I don't know the right wording to describe why I don't wear anything other than maybe a nude lip all the time, but I'm not explaining this well. So something that maybe not everybody knows about me, maybe some people do, is I actually really enjoy goth style and like gothic like vibes, I guess. Like I have skulls decorating my house. I love special effects artistry. I have a few of those videos up on my channel. I will link them above so you guys can check them out. In my free time, I love to play with like special effects makeup. Halloween is literally my favorite holiday out of every single one that occurs throughout the year. I just really enjoy gothic vibes and like that style and all of that stuff, but like I guess you probably wouldn't know that just by looking at me, but I really do like the aesthetic. So I decided that it would be just different for the summertime to kind of do like a gothic vibes but like still summery type look. I have an idea in mind that I saw off of a chick on Pinterest that I thought was super cute. I don't know if I can commit to like the super pale skin. That I may stray from because I enjoy like tan and bronze and contour and things like that, and a lot of these looks that's not necessarily the case, or if it is, it's like very pale with like very harsh lines. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna skip over that part. So if you're interested in seeing how I turn this to this, then just keep on watching. Let us begin, my friends. So first things first, for any look, we need to prime the skin. These are the ones I'm using today, along with this Maybelline Better Skin foundation. This is an oldie but a goodie, my friends. So I am just pouncing that on with a Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge Dude. And I'm just going to cover my entire face, make sure I get nice and full coverage. Next up, we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is the one that, you know, people thought was better than Shape Tape. I don't know about that, but it's pretty darn good. We're using the exact same sponge to pounce that baby in. Now we got to set all that because your girl's oily and we don't want it to slide onto the floor. So we're using these two powders right here to just poof, 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 poof all over the face and get everything nice and set. Using the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Powder Foundation this time to kind of give my skin a little bit of color back because those powders give me a white cast. Why do I all of a sudden have an accent? I don't know. Anyway, using this Essence Brighten Up Under Eye Setting Powder. Guys, I love this stuff. It is so good and so cheap. It makes your eyeballs look great. Going in with this Marc Jacobs super hard to find coconut bronzer, but I love this thing. Oh my god, I literally put it everywhere. Kind of overdo it. It's fine. Who cares? It's my face. I like it the way I like it. Okay, make sure you contour your nose with that as well. Using this Pretty Vulgar blush. I like this blush. I don't like how much fallout it gives you in the pan. But hey, look how pigmented she is. Beautiful. Alright, going in with this Opal highlighter by Becca. This is an oldie but a goodie as well. Just slapping her on there with a little bit of a brush, getting all the high points on the face. You know, gotta make it look shiny. Going with this Alamar, I think is what it's called, eyeshadow palette, using the two orangey shades in here. Basically what I'm doing is trying to come up with the vibrant, bright, but still blended orange eyeball look. So you're going to see me use a few different orange shades from, I think, 2 different palettes. I believe I've got the Tartelette palette coming up. And anyway, I'm just going to buff in these shades, make it all look nice and blended, but I still want it to kind of be a blown out orange smoky eye. So, give me a second, you're going to see what I'm doing. I'm literally just using some fluffy brushes to blend her in there. In a second, I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle. And that's that. So, just watch, okay? Just watch. Alright, here we go. Holy guacamole, I move fast. But you see what I'm talking about? Just a blown out, smoky eye. So I threw on some lashes here. I did it off camera because I didn't want to waste your guys' time. I just put on the Havana lashes by Lily Lashes. They are my favorite at the moment. Now's the time for the lips, and this is kind of where I try to bring a little bit of gothicness into it. Now I realize I'm just throwing on a black lip. Right now it's red lip liner, but you know what I mean. I'm just throwing on a black lip and calling it gothic. Sorry to those of you who I offend. But to me, this is pretty darn gothic. So I'm using the Kat Von D Witches Black Liquid Lipstick. It is literally my favorite black liquid lipstick. I mean, just look at her. Ooh, girl, yes, look at her. Work, mama. Yes. All right, I'll see you in the outro. Yeah. So this is it. Here's the final Gothic Glam look. I hope you guys like it. I realize it's orange eyes and a black lip. Not a whole lot, you know, super goth about that, I don't think. I think it's cute, like baby goth, you know, it's just like a little bit. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload. Because trust me, you want to be here. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.